Hello friends, welcome to the platform of Darshanik IAS. This is Akshay Kadam. So guys, today on this platform of Darshanik IAS, we are going to discuss a concept from Gandhian philosophy. So in your ethics paper, there is a philosophy segment, and in philosophy segment, they have consistently asked question on Indian philosophers, okay, in which a lot of important philosophers are there, Buddha, Mahavira, Vedantic philosophers are there, along with that Vivekanand, then Rabindranath Tagore, etc. And Gandhian philosophy is also very important part of ethics paper. So in ethics paper, there are different branches of ethical reasoning, that is virtue ethics, consequentialist ethics, deontology ethics, rights ethics, etc. And under deontological ethics, you have three theories: Immanuel Kantian ethics, then Bhagavad Gita ethics, which talks about karmas, etc. And then your Gandhian ethics. And Gandhi was also duty ethicist or deontological thinker. And along with that, Gandhi gave a lot of ideas about society, societal ethics, on individual ethics, etc. So in today's lecture, I am going to discuss one such important idea from Gandhian ethics, that is his concept that he gave about 7 social sins. So in Gandhian ethics, there are a lot of awesome concepts that you can use in a lot of your ethics answers, case studies and questions. And also a lot of essay UPSC has constantly asked on Gandhi. So in my essay and ethics classes, I discuss Gandhi in depth. Okay, 5-6 ghante I discuss Gandhi in detail. All his ideas I discuss in detail. So in Gandhian ethics, these ideas like trusteeship of wealth, trusteeship of knowledge, ideas on village republic, dharma rajya, letter of the law and spirit of the law, etc. are there. Along with Gandhi's idea of Swarup, Vishwarup, simple living, high thinking, a lot of awesome ideas are there that you can use in your answer writing. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss one small and short idea about Gandhian ethics, that is concept of 7 social sins or roots of violence or dangers to human virtue. Okay, so this 7 social sins or roots of violence or dangers to human virtue, what this idea is, that I am going to discuss with you quickly. So Gandhi gave this idea of 7 dangers to human virtue. And in these 7 dangers or roots of violence, from where violence breeds, or he called it samajik pap, 7 social sins, which are wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, business without ethics, science without humanity, religion without sacrifice, and politics without principles. So I am going to discuss in this, okay, the first concept, that is science without humanity is sin. Okay, so what is this concept of science without humanity is sin, that we will discuss. Now guys, in this, you must have heard about the important award, that is this Nobel Peace Prize. Now this Nobel Peace Prize, this award was given or started by the scientist Alfred Nobel. Now what he did, that he invented dynamite, okay, or precursor to this violent war techniques. और जिस आदमी ने डायनामाइट बनाया which was used as a war weapon और उसके बाद बहुत सारा वायलेंस हुआ, okay, then why this person who used dynamite or they invented dynamite and so many people killed by using dynamite started this Nobel Peace Prize? That's quite a contradictory thing to do. So there was one story of Nobel's life, that when Alfred Nobel invented dynamite, a lot of European countries purchased that and he made a lot of profit, okay, using that royalty that he got out of invention of dynamite. And same dynamite used as a weapon killed a lot of people. And one day, okay, and he became one of the richest European. And one day while working in his laboratory, okay, dynamite blasted and Nobel died. Now world thought it's Alfred Nobel died, but his brother has died. But people thought Alfred has died. And next day, his country's own paper, Swedish newspapers, had a headline. And when he read that headlines, okay, he got a shock of conscience. And the headline was that inventor of death died at the hands of his own invention. An article read that man who invented ways to kill the humanity faster than ever before, yesterday died in his lab at the hands of monster that he created, and so on. So when he got or heard this or read about this news, he then had a shock of conscience that what kind of legacy I am leaving behind. Even people of my own country call me inventor of death. And so whatever he has done to get rid of those sin, okay, he started this in a way. Alfred started this Nobel Peace Prize. So anyone who tries to initiate peace or spread peace in the world, he instituted this award for them. So point in this Gandhi ka itna hi tha in the idea of science without humanity is sin, okay, that whenever this science is just a technology, science is just a process, science is just an automation. It can work for the evil person, or it can work for even a good person. Science has its no heart or humanity involved. Science is devoid of values. Science don't contain values. And so science without values is a very problematic thing. Okay, science is automation which will work for the good leader, noblest leader or an evil leader. Okay, so Martin Luther King का जो statement था कि we are living in the world of guided missiles and misguided men, and misguided men are more dangerous than guided missiles. Okay, so बंदूक को पता नहीं है कि whether it is being used by a soldier to defend his country or by terrorist to kill the innocents. बंदूक का काम है pull the trigger and take the action. और इसलिए okay, the man behind the gun is very important. His discretion is very important. Okay, his reasoning is very important, and that's why for Gandhi, okay, scientists should infuse morality into the science. Science without humanity is extremely big sin. So for Gandhi, if science ends up becoming all technique and technology, okay, without understanding higher human purposes ought to serve, we will become victims of our own technocracy. अब देखना, गांधी के बारे में अगर आपको कोई भी आइडिया पढ़नी है तो एक चीज मैं हमेशा बताता हूं, 2-3 चीजें याद रखो कि गांधी के बारे में पढ़ना है तो एक उनका जो कोट है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग इज नॉट मीन्स बट एन एंड इन इटसेल्फ, मनुष्य साधन नहीं साध्य है, ये चीज हमेशा याद रखो. और एक गांधी के बारे में अगर आपको जानना है तो एक लाइन, एक मराठी में एक गाना है, उसी का हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन आई विल टेल यू, वो हमेशा याद रखना. एक लाइन तो गांधी बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आते हैं, दैट इज मानसाने मानसाशी मानसासम वागणे, दैट इंसान इंसान से इंसानियत से पेश आए. सो गांधी के एंटायर थ्योरी में ह्यूमन बीइंग इज द सेंटर, टेक्नोलॉजी, रिलीजन, ओके, इकोनॉमिक्स, एवरीथिंग, दे आर द मीन्स फॉर एन एंड दैट इज ह्यूमन वेलफेयर. So science is also means for an end that is human welfare. Okay, and if we fail and turn human being as a means and use him, okay, economy uses human being as a means, politics uses human being as a means, that will be the biggest disaster. और इसलिए गांधी की इसमें साइंस हो या इकोनॉमिक्स हो या पॉलिटिक्स हो या लॉज हो, should serve the humanity. And if you forget humanity from the process, okay, then it will become, or in science, if you forget the humanity, it only becomes the process, then we will become the victims of our own technocracy. We will not understand the higher human purpose, why we are developing science, for welfare of humanity, to make our life more secure and comfortable. But if you forget the humanity from the process, then it's just a technology and automation that can even prove very disastrous, even extremely evil. Okay, so it will degenerate humanity, turning technology against the humans. और इसलिए गांधी वॉज एन एंटी साइंस मैन. रादर व्हेन गांधी वॉज had he born today, he would have different opinion about science, but that time Gandhi has opposed railways. Now Gandhi has opposed railways doesn't mean Gandhi was opposed to science. Point इतना है, when Gandhi opposed railways, okay, that time British introduced railways in India, and there wasn't complex economy the way today we have. I travel to different cities in India to teach in different offline classes, this ethics essay papers. So when I travel to different cities, this economy is today is a complex, but when Gandhi was there 150 years back, economy wasn't so complex, and so railway was causing unnecessary movement of the people from Maharashtra to Delhi, from Delhi to Calcutta, Calcutta to Mumbai, and these people were spreading diseases, plagues and other diseases faster. Okay, and railway was killing human beings faster, peoples faster, and there wasn't parallel cures available. Antibiotic revolution wasn't fully developed. Antibiotics haven't invented, and so railways was killing more people and at a more faster rate than ever before, and that's why Gandhi opposed railways. But had Gandhi been born today, he would not oppose railways, because we have very awesome medical science and antibiotic revolution that we have already developed. So बहुत सारे गांधी के आइडियाज आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट में भी लेने पड़ते हैं, टाइम पीरियड के हिसाब से. सो गांधी का यही कहना था, साइंस शुड नॉट बी डिवाइड ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी. तो फिर साइंस तो सिर्फ प्रोसेस है, इट्स जस्ट अ थॉट, अ प्रोसेस, वे ऑफ लुकिंग द वर्ल्ड, स्टडिंग द वर्ल्ड, एंड दैट्स व्हाई साइंटिस्ट हैज अ ड्यूटी टू इन्फ्यूज द मोरालिटी इनटू इट. ओके, एंड सो साइंस, Gandhi said, has no heart and no humanity. Okay, scientific method do not use any system of ethics. Scientific method do not have any system of morality to determine its direction and end goal, and as such morality and ethics are not the principles of science. So आपको exclusively science में you need to add these principles, और ये scientist की duty है. So you need to think before inventing anything, whatever I am inventing, okay, how can it will get misused, how it should not get misused. He should develop all the ways that AI we are developing. Now when we are developing AI, then we should also think how AI can get used or misused, and how we can then prevent this misuse of AI. वो डेवलपर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, वो साइंटिस्ट की. और इसी का एक एग्जांपल आपको देखना है तो आप चैट जीपीटी पे जाओ एंड जस्ट टाइप करो, ओके, हाउ कैन आई हर्ट अदर पीपल, इज चीटिंग ओके, ओके, इज लाइंग बैड और गुड, इस तरह क्वेश्चन पूछो और देखना चैट जीपीटी का रिप्लाई आएगा दैट ही विल नॉट आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, ओके, इट विल टेल यू दैट आई एम नॉट डिजाइन टू आंसर सच अ क्वेश्चन और सो ऑन. सो ये एआई में ही आपने इथिक्स, मोरालिटी हैज बीन इम्बाइब्ड. और इसी तरह से हर कोई टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करो विथ इथिक्स एज द प्रिंसिपल्स, इथिक्स एंड मोरालिटी एज द प्रिंसिपल्स, विथ द ह्यूमैनिटी एज द फोकस, ह्यूमन वेलफेयर एज द फोकस. सो वेरी ऑसम आइडिया, यू कैन यूज इन लॉट ऑफ essays and in ethics paper, or lot of case study comes most of the time on this science humanity question, so you can use it there also. And also Gandhi has another suggestion for science, is that science should also address basic inequities. अब साइंस को तो मार्स पे जाके सेटल होना है, बट यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस अर्थ इटसेल्फ, देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट? ओके, सो फर्स्ट साइंस शुड सॉल्व द बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ पीपल्स लाइफ. Yes, we can land on moon, we can land on Mars, we can become interplanetary species, okay, but we want to be interplanetary species because we are to ensure survival, but we are by global warming destroying the earth. Okay, तो गांधी का एक कोट था that our greatest ability as human being is not to change the world but to change ourselves. या फिर इतने सारे एडवांस्ड हम मेडिसिन बना रहे हैं, बट मलेरिया के लिए we haven't had vaccine so many years. Okay, most of the basic diseases we haven't cured or removed. So first we should address these basic problems. If we don't address the basic inequities, then science will be of no use. Okay, and so addressing the basic inequities is very very important in the science. So आज भी इतने सारे लोग सेप्टिक टैंक में मरते हैं and we haven't developed affordable way to clean the drainage or septic tanks. और ये जो manual scavenging आज भी चल रहा है, okay, scientists should develop the affordable methods to do that. तो science should first address these basic inequities. ये भी एक important purpose है science का. So the majority of scientists who ever lived or living today, if only superimpose technology on same old problems, okay, nothing basic changes, we may see an evolution, an occasional revolution in science, but science if divide of humanity, we will see precious little or real human advancement. So science should be fused with humanity, and science should solve the basic problems that human faces first, then go on higher level problems, then go on settling on Mars, but stop the global warming first. Okay, save the flora and fauna around you, stop these normal diseases. या आज बहुत सारे डिजीजेस के लिए ट्रीटमेंट्स भी है, बट दे आर एक्सट्रीमली अनअफोर्डेबल टू द पुअर पीपल. ओके, और ये बहुत बड़ा ह्यूमैनिटी का सिन है कि आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, दवाएं हैं, हर कोई चीज है, बट स्टिल ह्यूमन डाई बिकॉज दे डोंट अफोर्ड. ओके, तो मेक श्योर योर मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री इज अफोर्डेबल. ओके, तो ये जो चीजें करो, ये सारी, एंड हाउ वी कैन मेक टेक्नोलॉजी should address all these basic inequities is also important goal of the science. So all the old inequalities and injustice will remain if we don't address this question in science. So very important and awesome guideline of Gandhi. So Gandhi का इतना ही कहना था. Okay, to die while cleaning 10 feet septic tank in Faridabad after allegedly inhaling poisonous gas. So हम मार्स तक तो पहुंच गए, फिर 10 फीट नीचे क्यों नहीं? So we are landing on moon, but first why can't we develop cheaper, affordable, okay, technologies to do this? So science with humanity, and science should solve the basic problems, old inequities, and create the better world. Okay, so thanks for listening guys, and stay tuned to my Darshanik guys YouTube channel, and to download these notes you can join me on UPSC Ethics 4 Telegram channel. Also download my app Darshanik guys by Kadam sir from Google Play App Store. Stay tuned there, I will be launching my essay ethics courses soon there for your benefit. So thanks for listening guys.